Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can save and export projects in Photopea on your computer, so let's get started. So what you want to do guys is here on Photopea is click on File here in the top left corner, and from the drop down menu select Export As, and here to the right from the following drop down menu select your output file format. You can go with SVG, GIF, PDF or JPEG or PNG if it's for example a photo or an image of yours. So what you want to do guys, let us go for example with PNG file format for demonstration purposes. Click on it and this is going to open up that window here. Here you will be given the opportunity to give your photo or image a name here, so do that. You can also adjust the output resolution, height and width for example, and also the image or photo quality by moving that slider here. And simply confirm by clicking on that button here, wait for the download to be finished, and there you go. If I open that image on my computer, that file, you will see that in this image or photo has been successfully saved and exported on my device. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.